What tools do you need to create, publish, host, sell an online course? Hello, I'm Sarah Cordiner, and I recommend that you have the following kinds of equipment. Now, first of all, you're going to need to film the thing, so I recommend your mobile phone. It's amazing. You have a studio in your pocket today. Your mobile phone is absolutely perfect. Portrait for social media, landscape for doing course videos. You're going to need a nice bright window, some selfie sticks with a ring light, $10 from your local supermarket. You can grab that basic filming equipment really easily. Now, I'm not even using a microphone to do this particular video. I'm just using the simple inbuilt microphone on my phone. However, if you do want to improve the quality of the audio, you can go and invest in a microphone that sits on your desktop if you're filming on your computer. You can also use a lapel microphone for your mobile phone as well. Both of these things you can grab on Amazon, eBay, even actually just in everyday electronic stores for very cheap. And when I say very cheap, I mean less than $20 kind of cheap. And that's perfectly sufficient audio for very high quality online courses. Now, if you're recording at your desktop computer instead of on your phone, then you're probably going to want a webcam. And again, there are so many choices out there now for very affordable prices. I personally, at the moment, am using a Logitech Brio, but they're basically all you need is a 4K resolution. So if you're looking for a webcam and you don't know what you're looking for, really the brand is kind of irrelevant. If you're looking at something that has 4K resolution, it's going to be a good enough quality output for your courses. Now, once you've filmed the course, you may want to edit it yourself. So if you are going to do some editing, you may want to use a platform like Camtasia, but you can also use the free video editing tools that come on most desktop computers, Windows Video Editor or iMovie if you're using a Mac. Otherwise, you can just outsource the editing if you've got editing to do. Using something like Fiverr or Upwork.com, you can send your videos via a Google Drive link to those people to get them to edit it for you at a really affordable price. Saves you all the time of mucking around as well. Then from there, you've got your videos, your MP4 files produced. You're then going to want to put those on a platform where people can actually buy them and consume them without you being involved in the process. Those videos need to be hosted somewhere so that they can be accessed and purchased. My favorite platform for hosting online courses is Techmatics, techmatics.com. I recommend you go and check that out. Go grab a free trial. Basically, that hosts all of your videos for you, unlimited videos. It allows you to have unlimited students, unlimited courses. It has your web pages and funnels on there, hundreds of them already pre-built for you. It also integrates your own payment gateways. You also have email automations that are included in that platform. So you can automatically send student progress check-in sequence emails, welcome emails, keep them progressing through your courses. And my friends, that's really it. So your mobile phone, a cheap ring light, and an amazing affordable platform that's all in one like Techmatics, and you can then go ahead and run a very successful online business. These are the basic pieces of equipment that I have, and I have managed to gain over 200,000 student enrollments in 181 countries and made millions of dollars over the years from my courses, my coaching, and my course creation services. I do it all from a spare bedroom at home in Outback, Australia, using very simple equipment, a whole heap of passion, and just the courage to get on camera and put it out there. And let's face it, it's not comfortable doing this, right? Every single time I film a video, I think, oh my gosh, how stupid do I look? Did I use filler words? Is someone going to troll me? Am I going to get criticized? Someone's going to come along and go, scammer, right? Of course they are. But there are also millions of potential people out there that are going to come along and say, thank you so much for putting this out there. Thank you for sharing your knowledge. Thank you for giving me these tips. I really appreciate you. So just do it. Yes, you need to just take a deep breath and just suck up oodles of courage to do it. Fear never goes away. But if you have that courage to put it out there, that's the only way that you're going to succeed. It's the only way you're going to help anyone. And it's the only way you're going to get better as well. I look back at some of my previous videos, my previous pieces of content, and just go, my goodness, how embarrassing. But if I hadn't had started, I never would have improved either. So get going. If you've got any more questions about tech, I do actually have a whole list of different tech tools that you can use. So comment, PM me, whichever you prefer, and I'll get back to you soon.